First to the story that we've been tracking the last couple of days, and we're getting more and more revelations in the Mumbai hit and run case where the accused is now in 6-day police custody. India Today has accessed Mihir Shah, the accused remand copy. The police in Mumbai say the victim dragged from the accident site to a landing point of Bandra Worli ceiling. Just think about it, over 2.5 kilometers the victim was dragged in the car. The police say Mihir Shah was behind the BMW wheel during the accident. Then the police say Mihir Shah and the driver switched seats after the accident. The police say the chain of events is based on CCTV footage. But crucially, the police have not filed murder charges, but they've filed culpable homicide not amounting to murder. So you've got a case where no murder charges have yet been filed, even though the evidence clearly points to the fact that Mihir was the one who mowed down the woman and she was dragged for 2.5 kilometers in the car. Our correspondent Devesh Singh is joining us live with the very latest on that. Devesh, why is the police reluctant to file under Section 103, which is murder, under the new BNS law?
Well, Rajdeep, a big revelation has come to light in the remand copy. Remand copy describes the CCTV footage of the Worli Bandra ceiling landing point. It is seen that from the accident spot to the landing point, Mihir Shah was behind the wheel and the woman Kaveri Nakhwa was stuck between the wheel and the engine. At the landing point, Rajshri Bidawat, who was the driver of Mihir Shah, got off the vehicle. He inspected the vehicle while Kaveri Nakhwa was still stuck in the vehicle. He asked Mihir Shah to get off and switched seats with him. Now Rajshri Bidawat was on the wheel, and as he turned the vehicle towards ceiling, Kaveri Nakhwa got released of the vehicle. She was released and she fell on the road. After that, again Rajshri Bidawat, who was on the wheel, again drove the vehicle over Kaveri Nakhwa and then proceeded towards Bandra Worli ceiling. So this is clearly in black and white mentioned in the remand note which was submitted today at the Savory Court while producing Mihir Shah, seeking his custody, full custody of 7 days.
But why not
As
murder?
Now,
why is the police not
against
Devesh, why is the police not filing straight murder charges under Section 103?
Well, Rajdeep, we tried speaking to some of the senior police officials and they are saying that regarding this particular element or regarding this particular revelation, they are seeking further legal opinion whether what sections could be added and whether and if the section of murder could be added. The primary opinion that they have received says that there was no intent of murder, and that is why culpable homicide covers the incident, even though once after toppling Kaveri Nakhwa, dragging her for 2.5 kilometers, and then again after she is released from the vehicle, again running over the vehicle over her body. But despite that, the murder section is yet to be added, and police are seeking legal opinion on that, whether what sections further could be added, whether if section of murder could be added against the accused.
Very, very strange that the Mumbai police, known to be one of the better police in the country, does not know what section they are going to file, and why would a murder charge not be filed against someone who has, it appears from the sequence of events, clearly known that there was the woman under the wheel and yet ran over her. This is not an ordinary hit and run accident.